Welcome back, guys. This is Leland bringing you another TA of the GRT. And I have a bonus coin for you towards the end of the video. I'm not going to say which one. So go ahead and watch throughout the entire thing. I'm going to show you this coin that has incredible potential. Awesome opportunities. All these other altcoins have already exploded like GRT. And this one's still sleeping. Could this be another coin that you may be able to flip your profits from GRT into this coin and make more? It's possible. And I'm going to show you that coin at the end. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe if you are new. And hit that bell notification because you don't want to miss out on these crucial updates we are giving about the GRT. My book is exploding, guys. I could never dream of this happening. I didn't think I would sell much of these, guys. I was thinking maybe we sell like 10 or 20. Okay, that's it. No, you guys are blowing me up. This book has only been out for 3 days. And look at this down here. Top 35. I'm in the top 100 of digital currency books. I'm at 35 right now. I just am amazed. Thank you so much for going to buy my book. If you're buying my book, you know why. You know why you were buying that book. You've been watching my channel. You've been following my TAs. And you're blown away. You want to learn how to do TA like I do. And in this book, it will teach you all of the indicators that I use. All of the patterns that I use. You're going to learn about Bitcoin, blockchain, anything around crypto. You're going to learn about, and you're going to have a better understanding about crypto after you read this book. With this book, my channel, and going into the Discord server, you are going to learn so much that you are going to be able to fish yourself. Instead of me handing you a fish, you are going to learn to fish. Guys, join the Discord channel. I'm in here all the time, as you can see. People are asking questions. I'm answering their questions. I'm very engaged in here. It's growing really quickly. We just got it created yesterday. Okay, so the Telegram was just blowing up. Too many people. We had to organize it. We organized it. It looks so much better. It feels so much better. It's not as chaotic. We have all these different channels for all these different coins. And if you want to see other coins, we're going to make a channel for it. And we're going to build a community off of it. I want to see this thing explode. Let's get thousands of people into the Discord. Let's build a great community. On to the video. GRT has exploded. Guys, from 1 month ago, 1 month from this low to this high, we are up over 1,100%. That is 10x your money. Had you been watching my video and you've been following me and you were those people, you were those OGs that bought down here, you were very close to 10x. You have either 10x'd or 8x'd your money from up here. And that's because you've been following me. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Our Fibonacci's are being held up beautifully. We came up, we hit our resistance over here at 270, which is what we were expecting, and we're having a pullback right now, and it's looking really good. Now, guys, I'm sorry, okay? I messed up. I told you support was going to be 206, and it didn't hit 206. It hit 209. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm going to try to be better about my TAs, try to be more accurate, because that 3-cent difference is a make or break. So we came down and we hit our 206 target, or 209. And I don't think this is quite over yet, guys. And I'm going to show you in a little bit. It is possible that we could break down below this support over here and we can come back down to about $1.50. This is a next level support. If we break 150, we will be going down to $1. There is no resistance. There's no support within this area. You will fall down hard. And from that 150 down to that $1, you're looking at about a 34% drop. That could happen. That could happen. If we're looking at the MACD right now, we are printing our second bar on the histogram for our MACD. We can see our 12-day moving average is going below our 26-day moving average, which is a bearish cross. And rightfully so, guys. Rightfully so. Like I said, we are up almost 1,100% from down here. Seeing a correction would not surprise me. It would not surprise me. Expect that we can be blowing through this support right here. It is possible we could blow that through that support and come down to 150. If we blow through 150, we'll be coming down, we'll be hitting $1. Am I bearish at that point? No. No, I am not bearish. I wouldn't mind if we cooled off for a little bit. Let GRT cool off for a little bit. I don't know how long that'll happen, but if it decides to cool off, I wouldn't mind if we came back down and touched the 1618 on the Fibonacci, which is a $1.15. Do I think that's going to happen? No. I'll give you my opinion. I don't think we're going to come down and touch 115, but I want you to be prepared. Okay? We were overbought, and it's time for us to take a correction. Now, it is entirely possible we can keep moving to the upside. It is entirely possible we can keep moving to the upside. We can break through this $2.89 resistance. We'll be making new all-time highs, and I'm going to show you what we need to do in order to see new all-time highs. Okay? Check it out. I took a Fibonacci. We went. This is an hourly chart, by the way. We zoomed in a lot. We are at this top consolidation pattern that we are having right now, and this is what we need to do. Here's our swing high. We went from $2.89 to our swing low down here at $2.10. Okay? You guys already know, if you watch my channel, we need to break through the 618 and 786 if we want to see continuation to the upside. And you can see we came down. We tested that support, and look how we held below $2.40 as resistance. It was resistance, and we got above it, and look where we shot up to, guys. Look where we shot up to. We attempted to break into the 618. If we break through that 618, that's really good. That's bullish. But really what we want to see is we want to get above the 786. We are looking to close a candle above $2.72. Close a candle above 272, get the retest, and boom, guys, we're going off. We are going off, and we're going to be breaking all-time highs again. GRT is going to be going much higher. You can see the price right now, guys. I was telling you that $2.40 area is pretty hard resistance for it. Can we get up? Can we get up? Let's see. Let's see what happens. If not, if we drop below $2.10, guys, be looking for that next support line. Be looking for $1.50 for support, or even possibly, I'm sorry, if we get below $2, yeah, 210. If we break 210, be looking for the support. Be looking for that $1.50 support. Not a lot of resistance, not a lot of support in this area over here. I am seeing a tiny bit of support right there at $1.84. That's possible. Maybe do not count on it. You might not want to count on that. But so we have our targets. We know where we want to go. We're not overbought on the RSI anymore. With this last high that we had on the RSI, we came up and hit 97, you guys. 97. That is hot. That is really hot. We've made our gains. We want GRT to cool off. Let's see some support levels. Let's hit our supports. Let's see what happens. We are looking at these areas. Are these buying opportunities? That's for you guys to decide. Is that where you're going to buy? GRT's hot. What are we going to do? Well, I'm looking for other coins. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe if you are new, and hit the bell notification because we are hitting our targets. We are hitting our targets, and it is turning out well for a lot of people who are watching these videos. The next coin that I want to talk about is NMR. I see massive potential for this coin. It's called Numeraire. You can get it on Coinbase. And if you go to prices of all the coins, all you got to do, scroll all the way to the bottom. It's the lowest market cap coin on Coinbase. These are the coins that I want to see. These are the coins that have the most potential. I believe we're only sitting at like $130 million, maybe lower, guys. The market cap is extremely small in this coin. And when you have these really small market cap coins, these things can pop. These things can moon fast. And I want to show you why. This is going to be incredible. I'm going to blow your mind with this coin. and you're going to FOMO. I guarantee you're going to FOMO. This is not financial advice, but check this out. We take our swing high down to our swing low. Okay, you know what? Before we do that, okay, I want to teach you guys how to trade at the same time. Like I said, I want to teach you to fish. I don't want to give you the fish. But can you see anything within this chart right now? This is going to be a kind of a coaching session, okay? Do you see anything in this chart when you first look at it? What do you see? Well, possibly, we could have an inverse head and shoulders, right? Possibly, inverse head and shoulders. That might be a thing, right? Maybe. What else do you see? If you know patterns, you might be able to call this a 3 rising valleys. You might be able to call this a 3 rising valleys. We came up, we hit the neckline, we came back, we made a higher low. We came back up, tested the neckline, came back down, made an even higher low. And ever since we came up here, this coin started to break out. And this is the level. This is the breakout level. This is possible. This could be a 3 rising valleys pattern. It's possible. Mixed in with the inverse head and shoulders, and it's looking bullish. And I want to show you guys why I see that. I see this downtrend all throughout here. I see this downtrend over here, and I'm like, man, that was ugly. That was really ugly. Well, when we broke that downtrend, guys, we broke that resistance. We came back, tested it for support, and we even kept going further down, okay? This was towards the end of December right there. We came back, we tested it, and we got the resumption off. And we moved back up. But do you see anything else? Do you see anything else over here? Look what we did again. We broke that resistance right about there. It was resistance, 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 resistance. We broke the resistance, came back, touched it for support, and we've been off ever since. Are you guys seeing this? Are you seeing this momentum? Are you seeing this strength that we're having within this chart? No, I mean, not even to mention, we have a double bottom. We have a double bottom, and we know we have a double bottom because we have this low and this low right here. Does that look familiar? Does it look familiar to you guys? Are you noticing a pattern within these coins? Hold on, not that one. Are you noticing a pattern? Let's look at Orchid. You guys already know I'm bullish on Orchid. Are you seeing a pattern? Look at this, double bottom with this altcoin over here, right? Let's go take a look over at New Cipher. Look at this, double bottom right here. Double bottom. Are you seeing a pattern? You see how these have already taken off? New Cipher, GRT, taken off. Orchid had its double bottom and it's taking off. Do you see this potential within this coin? Look at this. Look where we are right now. Does that not blow your mind? Okay, now let's take a Fibonacci, okay? We're going to take a Fibonacci from our swing high to our swing low. By the way, we are on a daily chart right now, okay? So, a couple things that I see with this right away. I can see that on this Fibonacci, $31 was an area of resistance. It was a hard area of resistance. You can see how it's resistance here. We came down, we came up, we got above it for a little bit, couldn't hold it. And when we got denied over here at that $38 line, I'll show you in a second why that was important. When we got denied, we stayed below the $31 line. Look at all this resistance throughout here, guys. Huge, huge resistance. And then things started to shift. It was February 4th, not that long ago. February 4th, right here. We broke above $31 and we came up and we tested $38. We came back down for the retest and boom, we got above $38. Well, what's so special about that, Leland? Look left. Look left with me. This was resistance, 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 resistance. It was resistance all throughout here. It tried so hard and it couldn't do it. It couldn't get above it. And just recently, this is going all the way back to September of 2000, guys. We're talking months back. We finally broke through that $38 resistance. That's huge. And when we did that, we came up and we even tested the 618. Oh my God. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? This is incredible. And look at all these days that we've had that's just been to the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row. 1 week of upside over here. Traders knew that when we broke this resistance over here and we flipped it into support, we went off. We went off. Now, you guys already know, if we want to see all-time highs, if we want to see this coin double, we need to break through the 618 to 786. Break up into this area over here and play in here, and you were looking beautiful. Break above 50 cents. That's going to be a huge psychological resistance for Numeraire in MR. Flip it. Flip that 50 cents into support. You're going to be looking beautiful. Come up, break 57 cents, and you're done. You're out of here. Grand slam. You're going to be breaking all-time highs, which is 60. I'm sorry. I was saying cents over here. I meant to say dollars. Sorry, guys. $50, $57. When you break all-time highs over here of $67, expect to double. Expect to double like we've been doing in New Cipher. Expect to double like we've been doing in GRT. And expect Orchid to do the same thing. We're talking about NMR. What kind of gains can we see with this? From here, you're still early. You're still early. If you came up, let's say you took a position right now, which this is not financial advice. I'm going to show you where we are in the charts, possible areas to pick up. If we hit support, that's 50% move. That's a 50% move from there, from double that. What is that? I can't do math, guys. You know this. Round to 70, that's $1.40, 6 cents off. That's $1.63. $1.64. If we double from all-time highs, and you go from here to $1.64, right? Yeah. 262%. That is entirely possible. You guys already know, if we break all-time highs, be expecting to come hit $145. Expect to come hit the $240 level. I'm not telling you guys to go buy this coin, but I'm extremely bullish on Numeraire. Just by looking at these charts and seeing the resistances that we just crossed over, this one's going to be huge. If you missed out on GRT, this could possibly be your redemption. And that's exactly why I'm including it in the GRT video today. I just wanted to show you guys this opportunity. Thank you for coming by. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification if you were getting benefit out of this channel. And remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.